going on, guys? It's just been brought to my attention I didn't do an intro to this video, so today we're headed back to the factory for episode 2. I'll be accompanied by my friend Jess, and today we're going to make sure we explore every part of this building.
Not gonna lie.
To be fair. Well, yeah, but usually I don't shut up when I make videos. I just kind of, I don't know, talk 24/7, and I realise it's really annoying. It's better to like be quiet and shit.
Oh, I think it's one of those O printers.
Well, the building is actually interesting.
My friends hated it. We went to a place in London day and it was like...
Fair enough. I haven't been down there. That's how you get to the factory bit. I haven't been down here though. Oh.
It's so much fun at home this mask.
Oh, this just goes back to the same room. I don't know where those steps go then. What do you want to do? Do you want to like walk around here, or because I've never been up here? Oh, it's light though. Oh, I have been up here.
This is like my college stairs.
I've been up here. I just came up a different way. Because I came in through here.
Oh god, that chair's well creepy. That chair's well creepy. Really good.
I feel like it's like a hole or just stuff. Oh shit. Same? Where the fuck was that then?
Well, you know when we went downstairs, it's in that little room.
Oh. Love that.
We obviously don't want anyone falling in it.
It's always been there because there's a Costa Cup there.
Oh, that's cheating. They should at least have the running water.
There you go.
I
don't know what that means.
I don't know, some sort of fancy business word.
Read loads of stuff I don't understand. Oh, we've got his email. This is supposed to have been abandoned in 2004, yeah, that says 2006, so I'm confused.
Yeah, Shapland.
Love that. You can get all the colours you'd ever want.
Because somebody red door. Primary people.
It moves.
And then left it.
You want a free computer?
You said it.
It's exciting stuff.
Two people dying.
Yeah, well,
there's a shoe, that shoe that's over there.
Oh, yeah, I used to have shoes like that, like, weren't the same make, but for schools. Because I used to take the piss at me because they were like, why you got girl shoes? Because you got little heart bits on. Hello everybody. Crumbled under your fucking feet. Good to know somebody's like punched through the wall. Oh, I cut myself. Oh, that's great then. You can put all the shit in the bin. Jesus, looks like mustard. More papers. Oh. No, they've got loads of advisors in there. Oh, keys. No, it's in the photo with keys.
Anyone need the bullshit? I've got to No need to find one for the bedroom sign. We've already got the door. What the fuck is that for?
It's not a handle, is it?
No, surely not. Look how disgusting that red is.
This is something you'd have at school, doesn't it?
No, that is awful.
Upstairs? Downstairs you go back down to kind of where we entered. I have no idea what's going on.
I believe they've got like 2 bins in here now.
2 what?
2 bins. Someone can clean up all the mess, can't they?
Oh yeah! And then this window's just completely fucking gone.
Oh no, there's no chairs, you go first.
Why is there you in the chairs?
If those things, have you never watched Paranoia? Fuck me, that shit's awful.
Oh, you disgusting fucker. Can I shit in there?
No, I'm not going in there.
Why?
This fucking thing moved and it was a fucking pigeon.
Jesus Christ.
I was sat there, that fucking pigeon moved from under there and it fucking scared the shit.
I thought you said a person, you scared the shit out of me. I was like,
I thought...
it's just videoing a pigeon shitting himself now. It's fun
Should we
though.
open a window for it?
Do it.
No,
I don't know if those windows were open.
My name is not Jess, it's fuck off, you little shit. I actually have a real big phone.
What did she find? Nobody knows. Oh, it's sauce fuck. What fucking loads it? Radiator.
Oh my god, there's actually a bed in there.
Oh shit, there actually is.
You can tell when people have been in there because there's literally beer everywhere.
That looks spooky. It's full of homeless people. Yo, that is some creep. Oh, really? Oh, this room is fucking creepy, mate.
Oh my god, we can kill somebody there.
What the fuck? What? Is that actually metal? Oh, it's like wood. What? I think the factory's the coolest part of it. I'm gonna get shit on my...
But then...
That tastes about 12 already.
There's no fucking man called that move. I'm pretty sure.
I said that the other day, it's because there's so many people outside the building. This corridor. Some creepy shit. Oh yeah, that's
oh, hell no! Oh my god, fucking chair. Of course you could do your performance in here.
You show off your doors there. This is the bit that was the showroom here, and the bit upstairs is the showroom.
I remember walking in a flashlight.
Yeah.
Use this room. Got the sugar in that. Oh, that's funny.
So the disabled toilets though. It's like somewhere you're gonna get.
Someone got a bit angry.
This is the place. There's also, I haven't been through here yet. There's a place the other end of it, but I haven't seen it down there. Oh, what? I thought that was a doorway. It looked way bigger from the other side of the room. That's just disappointing. I thought that was a doorway. That's where we came in, where the fence is blown down. Fucking hell. Oh, that's what you was on about.
Yeah, actually.
Do you ever realise that, like, the time a clock stops on is just the time it died?
I don't know what is all that.
Oh, so that goes up to the next floor? Yeah, you can go up to the steps in the middle. Hello. You love your chairs, don't you? I wouldn't. The Americans want to build a wall and just wants to build a bridge. I couldn't open this door the other day. Oh, fucking hello. Beautiful. And that's where the stairs were that we looked at a second ago. Look at him go. Rather windy. The fucking floor. How fucking rotten that is. You can see it from above. Yeah. I didn't look around it yet because I went on the roof and then the camera died. Look at these cans. Some lights, Jess. You love your lights. Well, I've got my head through just trying to find the entrance to the roof.
You literally
not as heavy
just look for the roof.
Yeah, and then it wasn't even in here.
Mate, that's probably the nicest door ever. What the fuck is that?
This was the showroom, so this is where you go and fucking look at your doors. I didn't think people gave that much of a shit about doors, to be honest.
Is that not cool to fucking do?
Fuck today. That's a fucking good door, that is. Wonderful. So basically just a loss of doors.
Of course, yeah, white roofing.
Do you want to go to the roof?
What the fuck is that? What a load of weirdos.
That's the entrance to the roof. You know it. We made it, yes. We made it.
Hey. Shoes,
It's all good doing in one hand. I don't want to drop my camera either.
Well, I found the street name, but I can't find the house.